Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company IC Digital. They're looking for an online marketing specialist. It pays up to $200 a month. IC Digital is the innovative digital marketing company for forward-thinking companies. We partner with businesses throughout the US and deliver websites that actually work and bring results. We've won many local awards and we are currently seeking a marketing specialist to join our team. Our company is looking to hire a marketing enthusiast or student to help with creating social media graphics and content writing such as articles for our clients. This role is perfect for a college student who is looking to earn additional income on the side while still being able to go to school, or anyone looking to work remotely from home. Most communication will be done via Zoom and email. Responsibilities: write blogs or articles in various topics for clients. Create social media content. Responsibilities can change or vary depending on your experience or expertise. Work at your own pace as long as monthly deadlines are met. Qualifications: computer with access to internet and design software such as Photoshop or similar. Previous design experience. Proven writing and editing skills in English. Driven, self-directed ability to work independently and communicate effectively with a team. General understanding of SEO is a big plus. Work authorization. Must be able to verify identity and employment eligibility to work in the US. This position is temporary but could turn into contracted work if both parties agree. Pay range is $100 to $200 per month depending on work needed. Experience and quality of work. Job type: remote. Pay $100 to $200 per month. Job types: contract, internship. Schedule: self-determined schedule. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.